talaga ang laro namin. At dahil dyan, eto na talaga. Maglalaro tayo ng walang iba, kundi ang time to plunge into tic-tac-toe. Here, you'll need all the right moves to go toe-to-toe against your foe. First things first, you gotta know what you're in for. Check out these rules. Ay, mabilis lang yan. Got that? Alright, now let's put you both to the test. It's time to play. Sabihin mo na, Kuya Jacoberto, Kuya Elmin, Kuya Elbert, Kuya Legend, Kuya Janser, Kuya Elder, Kuya Ben and Ben, Kuya Trika, Kuya Maki, Kuya Jason, Kuya Almer. Anong tama tanawin namin? Tic-tac-drop! Kasama yung mga bata. Tick-tac, stop the clock. Did you all get that? Like tic-tac-toe, back in a spin. Oh yes, and with the Wizards too. You make only a mark by winning, and then by dropping. Now let's play. You both got your game faces on, so let's dive into a minigame. So what's our first minigame? Tara na kayo. Eto na, spin the wheel. Kung saan talaga yung maglaro tayo ng minigame, ha? Ay, mabilis lang yan. $230. Sakto! Perfect 800! Mga bobo kayo! Yun! Tapos! Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Dahil dyan, ang panalo ay si Rafi! Dito ko sa gitna. Yan! Galing mo talaga, Kuya Cards, ha? Next game, everybody. Spin the wheel. Ay, at ang panalo ay si Rafi! Yan! Isang laro pa tayo, ha? Kailangan tayo pabilisan to. Ito, dito. Last game na to, ha? Ito na namin mabilisan talaga yung laro. Kubali kung mag-bumper balloon tayo, ha? dyan, kabos! At ang panalo ay si Rafi ulit. Dahil dyan, eto na.
Great job, Rafi. You've got tip-top tips. Jump away, jump away.
Eto na talaga yung bola nang lumaglag na. At dahil dyan, tapos!
Yay! Tapos na naman! Papi! 3 in a row! 3! Tres! Baby Daisy! Yeah, Rafi made 3 in a row! You know, yeah, Rafi did it!
Absolutely, we have a winning trio. And as a hat trick, as they say, that one of you guys is the victor. And that's me!
Yay! Good job, Rafi! Hooray!
It's okay, Daddy. Susunod pa tayo. Di ba na mga kids? Baka mali mo, may host na naman si Rafi na bago. Siyempre naman, kung gusto mo talaga yung video na to, Baby Jairu, dahil dyan, manalo naman ako. Tawag-tawag naman si Daddy Kids.
It's okay, Papa. Okay lang yan. Okay, yak.
Di ba, sir? May chance pa tayo sa susunod, ha? At dahil dyan, ito na talaga tatapos ng laro na to. See you guys in our next game. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye!